Hey there, art enthusiasts. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to all artists, sketching tips. Specifically, we're going to dive into the importance of mastering basics by drawing simple shapes. Let's get started. Have you ever found yourself struggling to draw complex objects or feeling overwhelmed by intricate objects? Well, I'm here to tell you the key is to simplify subject into basic shapes. You see, these shapes are the foundation for more complex shapes. By breaking things down, you build a stronger understanding of structure, proportions, making it look realistic and less intimidating. So, how do you start? Let's take this cup for example. By breaking it down into basic shapes, you can then see what it's made up of. A circle, a cylinder up for the body, cones for the handle. Once you get the hang of it, you can move on to complex objects like a car. Now let's say you're drawing a car. By simplifying it into shapes, you can see there's a rectangle for the body, a circle for the wheel, and a triangle for the windshield. And that's just it. You've got a car. Remember though, practice makes perfect. The more you simplify and draw, the more you'll improve your understanding of structure and proportions. And trust me, your drawings will thank you for it. So there you have it, folks. Sketching Tips 101, Mastering the Basics by Drawing Simple Shapes. I hope you found the video helpful and inspirational. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. May God bless you. I'll see you next week.